known by the name of Salam Kisan. So, what is your name, ma'am? Your good name?
Hi, I'm Vanshika Nyati.
Okay, and you're working with?
I'm with Prime Group. We have a company called Prime. Salam Kisan is its brand name, and I'm the
Okay.
chief of staff of the company.
Okay, so tell this.
Yeah, so we are a company called Prime where we have a full stack integrated ecosystem in the agriculture. We have a platform called Salam Kisan where we help farmers with end to end solutions, right from pre sowing to post harvesting. Anything and everything that comes in the agri value chain, we help farmers with. We
Okay.
also have backward integrated and started our own manufacturing company where we manufacture agriculture spraying drones. So we do spraying as a service for farmers and we also sell drones.
Okay,
Yes.
so I was very much fascinated by the product which I saw yesterday that was guided by ma'am. So tell me something about your product.
So this is an agriculture spraying drone called Arjuna. It's a 16-liter capacity drone. It's a quadcopter. The body is built with carbon fiber. Usually other drones are built with plastic bodies, but this is a carbon fiber body. The reason this is a quadcopter and not a hexa is because whenever a crash or anything happens, there's minimal damage that happens to this drone. And we're trying to make it indigenous as well. It's 60% indigenized in India as of now. And we have usually drones have two batteries which has to be applied. Our drone only has one battery, which is this. It's a 22,000 mAh battery with 12S. Usually drones have 6S battery cells. So that's about it. In 1 acre, it gets sprayed in 7 minutes, and battery flight time is 25 minutes.
Okay, so there's one more thing which I wanted to add. Since there has been a lot of drones which I have personally researched in Punjab, so on spraying 1 hectare, it almost takes around 7 to 8 minutes.
Yes.
But there's one limitation in the battery segment which I personally found here. It is very innovative. That battery usually takes around half an hour to 50 minutes. What your time is very much less than that.
Yes.
So this makes this product much more novel and much more innovative. Right now, what is the cost of this?
In Maharashtra, at a retail price, we're selling at 5.68 lakh plus GST, one
Okay.
drone and one battery set.
Okay, and what is the AMC cost?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So almost around 40 to 30 to 40% of it.
Yes.
What are the major causes? Do you think that why this is so much of AMC is required over here? What is the main reason behind it?
Sometimes there's, when someone takes a drone and start learning how to fly a drone, there might be instances where one would require a lot of technical help.
Okay.
That's why we send our technician for visits at least 3 times to 4 times a year.
Okay.
And that's included in the AMC.
Okay, and what is the basic validity of this product? Like for how long it could survive?
A drone's life is 5 years.
Okay.
And the battery life cycle is 600 life cycles.
All right. So what does one's life cycle means? What is the meaning of one life cycle?
For example, like you charge your phone, that takes up one life cycle.
Okay.
So 600 life cycles for
Got
the
it.
battery.
So if you are interested in this product, you can contact ma'am. And I particularly feel that technology should be promoted at all the stages. And we are here at this. So thank you very much, ma'am, for your
Thank you
time.
so much.
People would definitely love to contact with you.